Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will discuss about on why cameras not working in Windows. So let's start the video. So firstly, you have to just go to the system setting. So you have to go to at start option and just right click at here and go to settings. In settings, you have to find out your camera's location. So here it is mine in privacy and location camera microphone. So I have to just click on it, and at here I have to just find out, yeah, behind location. Here it is my option camera. So I just have to click on it, and at here firstly I have to check it's this option is on, is allow apps to access your camera. It should be on because it allow apps to access your camera. And behind this, choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your camera. These all options should be on, because if you are using Skype, so you should have to use camera. So that's why it could all be on. Similarly, scroll down a little bit and you should also have to on this option as well, because there are some apps that are placed in desktop and they are not shown at above here, but they are still on the desktop, same as like Duolingo, English text, and some other softwares. So this should also be on. So at here you should have to on three main process. So after this, by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If your issue still persists, so you have to follow the second option, install driver. So in installing the driver, so you have to just type your laptop name, and then you have to type your qd hp. I'm using HP laptop, so I have to just type HP. If you are using Dell, so you just type here Dell camera driver download free. So at here I'm basically download softwares from driver guide. You can download from anywhere, but it could be official website. So here it is. You have to just download this driver for its port for all the windows like 10, 11, 8, and 7. So you just have to write, you just have to click download here. So this driver will be downloaded on your system and your issue will be gone. So if you like my video, so kindly like it and share it and subscribe as well. Thank you.